Gonna take a quick look at the sportage. This morning on the way to work, there was a couple deer, and naturally at the last minute, they run out in front of you. Uh, I got the second one right smack dab in the middle of my grill. You can't really tell, it's kind of pushed in, but it did break it from the bottom all the way up to the top. Um, let's take a look at that, and I'm gonna have to be doing some repairs here. Okay, I've already got the hood popped, but after driving, you can still see there's hair left. But she hit from here across. See, there's a little piece missing here, but this is caved in. Take a look. So when it hit, everything pushed in. You can see it moves now. See, that clip that holds it together is cracked up. This one's like basically not attached at all, loose. These are actually shattered. They shattered, they're missing. But I guess the pressure of that pushed back on this so hard, it cracked it all the way down to here. So not only do I need the black piece, is what I thought I needed only. I don't know what it's broken behind. I'll have to find that out. See what I can figure out. Take this off and get in there. Hopefully it didn't damage anything else. But that's that, car versus deer. The deer was, naturally she wasn't gonna make it. Her legs were broke and scattered off into the grass, and there was nothing I can do for her. But I'm gonna look these parts up. I've seen them on Amazon and eBay. I'll make another video once I get to this repair.